Hello mga Kaniki World and hello world! Hi! Ako nga pala si Yumi at dito sa channel namin sa Sugar Rose Family, pag-uusapan naman natin mga katanungan tungkol sa Nicolive streaming app. Wala na patumpik-tumpik pa. Happy 2nd anniversary Nicolive app! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ang tungkol sa mga updates ng Nicolive. Una, ano-ano mga features ba ang meron ngayon sa Nicolive app? One of the new features ni Nicolive ay ang link a guest sa solo live. Dito, hindi ka na feeling solo dahil pwede ka mag-invite ng host sa iyong solo live. And one more features ay ang VIP at SVIP kung saan may mga iba't ibang privilege kang pwedeng makuha. At ang best pa nito ay may free trial for all. I-avail mo na habang may free trial pa. But wait, there's more. Kapag nag-subscribe ka as SVIP, mas marami kang benefits na makukuha tulad ng VIP exclusive nameplate, headwear, seat frame, sun ripple effects, customized theme, daily sign-in bonus coins up to 20 people sa club room, 13 people naman sa party live. May fan summon, HD quality live, priority function at mas marami pang idadagdag soon. At habang naka 20% off pa ito, grab na the opportunity. Regarding policies and benefits naman, bukod sa pagiging best live host, napakaraming opportunities ang binibigay ni Nicolive para sa new old host. All you have to do lang talaga is pursue, focus, and aim for that goal. Isa sa mga to ay yung pag-like sa Facebook page ni Nicolive. From there, almost every day, may posting para sa extra additional withdrawable and benefits. What new events and activities are currently available? Isa sa mga recent events I have joined was the Nicolive Christmas Wishes, where me and my co-hosts and some of our members sa aming agency also joined the events. Aside from that, simple tasks like posting short videos and isa pa sa pinaka nagpasaya sa mga host ng Nicolive noong Christmas December 25. May nag-iikot na Santa para mag-set ng gifts sa mga naka-live, which host really was excited about that. What is your biggest impression of the recent changes on Nicolive? Bago kami nakarating sa Nicolive, galing kami sa apps na may bawas ang sahod or hindi napapasahod. And Nicolive saved most of the live streamer, and even after pandemic, we will still live streamers because of Nicolive. I can attest to that. And Nicolive ay isang content app. Walang paalog dito. Nicolive offers bands with hosts from across the world talaga. In my more than a year, hindi kami nakaranas ng delay salaries from the app. Kung may agent na nagsasabing may delays, di totoo yan. I stay Nicolive for more than 1 year. There were ups and downs during these moments. If nagwo-worry ka na ay wala akong supporters, ay wala akong ganito, ganyan, as long as may lakas ng loob, tibay ng damdamin, at eager to earn, Nicolive has a lot to offer to you. They recognize hosts and agents at kahit newbie ka, meron para sa'yo. Samahan mo lang ng sipag at syaga. Sure yan, merong mapapala. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Download Nicolive now at huwag kakalimutan mag-follow, like, share my video, and subscribe in my social media account, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at YouTube para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod natin pag-uusapan. And see you in my next video. Happy New Year!